Hello kids, welcome to my YouTube channel Math Guru. Kids, in this lesson, let's learn fraction addition. Kids, let's learn fraction addition of 3 over 5 plus 8 over 5. Relax, let me help you out with it. 3 over 5 plus 8 over 5. As the bottoms are same, that is 5. Put the answer 5 in the denominator. Now, add the top numbers, that is 3 plus 8. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So kids, 3 over 5 plus 8 over 5 is equal to 11 over 5. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.